Traveling the world has never been more accessible, but it has also never required smarter planning. Airfares fluctuate constantly. Hotel prices can change overnight, and hidden costs quickly add up, leaving many travelers wondering whether exploring the world is becoming less affordable every year. At the same time, another revolution has quietly transformed the way people travel. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic technology used by large companies. It's becoming a practical travel companion that helps ordinary people plan trips more efficiently, uncover better value, and make decisions that would have taken hours of research only a few years ago. That doesn't mean AI can magically pay for your holiday. No technology can eliminate every travel expense, but AI can dramatically reduce costs by helping travelers find opportunities, compare options, and make smarter choices that many people simply overlook. By the end of this video, you'll understand how artificial intelligence can help you reduce travel costs, maximize rewards, and, in some cases, make major parts of your journey effectively free through smarter planning rather than bigger budgets. The first way AI changes travel is by replacing countless hours of research with intelligent planning. Instead of opening dozens of websites to compare destinations, transport options, accommodation, weather, and attractions, travelers can now organize much of that information in minutes and use it as a starting point for further verification before booking. AI is particularly useful during the earliest stages of planning, when many people haven't even decided where to go. By comparing climate, seasonal demand, public holidays, and estimated travel costs, it can suggest destinations that better match a traveler's interests and budget, including places they may never have previously considered. Timing also plays a major role in travel costs. Small adjustments to departure dates, arrival times, or trip length can sometimes make a significant difference to overall expenses, and AI can quickly highlight alternatives that deserve a closer look before final decisions are made. Building an itinerary has also become far more efficient. Rather than manually researching every attraction, transport connection, and opening hour, AI can help organize realistic daily plans that reduce unnecessary travel time while leaving room for flexibility and spontaneous discoveries. Another valuable advantage is personalization. Every traveler values something different, whether that's history, nature, food, photography, beaches, hiking, wildlife, or architecture. AI can tailor suggestions around those interests, creating travel ideas that feel far more relevant than a generic list of popular attractions. Language barriers have also become much easier to manage. Modern AI tools can assist with translations, explain local customs, clarify transport systems, and help travelers communicate more confidently in unfamiliar environments, making independent travel accessible to far more people than ever before. Budget planning is another area where AI provides practical value. It can estimate daily expenses, identify where costs are likely to increase, and suggest adjustments that help travelers stay within their financial limits before problems arise, making long-term travel easier to manage. Perhaps the greatest advantage is perspective. AI doesn't simply search for the cheapest option. It can compare convenience, travel time, location, flexibility, and overall value. That broader view helps travelers make better-informed decisions instead of focusing only on the lowest advertised price. Of course, AI is only as useful as the information it receives. Experienced travelers understand that its recommendations should be treated as helpful guidance rather than unquestionable facts. Prices change, availability shifts, and official booking platforms remain the best place to confirm details before committing to any reservation. The most successful travelers don't use AI to replace their own judgment. They use it to enhance it. By combining technology with careful research and common sense, they often discover opportunities that would have been extremely difficult to find through manual searching alone. As impressive as AI has become, itinerary planning is only the beginning. The real savings often appear when artificial intelligence is combined with airline loyalty programs, hotel rewards, flexible booking strategies, and accommodation alternatives that many travelers rarely consider. And that's where the possibility of dramatically reducing travel costs becomes even more interesting. If itinerary planning helps you save money before your journey begins, the next step is where AI can unlock even greater value. By combining artificial intelligence with reward programs, flexible booking strategies, and alternative accommodation options, many travelers are discovering ways to reduce expenses that once seemed unavoidable. One of the most powerful opportunities involves airline loyalty programs. Millions of reward points are earned every day through flights, eligible purchases, and promotional offers, yet many travelers never use them efficiently. AI can help compare redemption options, identify routes where points offer stronger value, and highlight opportunities that deserve closer investigation. Flexibility often makes the biggest difference. Instead of searching for one specific flight on one exact day, AI can analyze nearby departure dates, alternative airports, or different routing combinations that may significantly reduce the number of points or cash required for the same journey. Hotel loyalty programs work in much the same way. Many major hotel groups allow members to earn points through eligible stays and promotions, which can later be redeemed for discounted or complimentary nights. AI can help compare redemption values across different properties and identify occasions when using points delivers greater overall value than paying cash. Artificial intelligence is also useful when comparing accommodation beyond traditional hotels. Serviced apartments, guest houses, hostels, home rentals, and boutique properties often provide excellent alternatives depending on your destination and travel style. AI can help organize those options according to location, transport access, guest reviews, and estimated total cost rather than focusing only on the advertised nightly rate. Another option that has grown in popularity is house sitting. Homeowners in many countries invite trusted travelers to care for their property or pets while they're away, often providing accommodation in return. AI can help travelers understand the requirements, compare available opportunities, and determine whether this style of travel suits their experience and schedule. Volunteer programs can also reduce travel costs in some situations. Certain organizations offer accommodation or meals in exchange for helping with community projects, conservation work, farming, or cultural initiatives. AI can assist with researching opportunities, comparing commitments, and preparing questions before applying, while reminding travelers to carefully review the legitimacy and conditions of any program. One area where AI consistently saves both time and money is fare monitoring. Rather than checking prices manually every day, travelers can use AI-powered tools to monitor selected routes, notify them of significant changes, and identify periods when booking may represent better value. While no system can guarantee the absolute lowest fare, automated monitoring helps reduce the chance of missing worthwhile opportunities. The same principle applies to destination selection. Instead of deciding on a location first and accepting whatever prices are available, AI can compare multiple destinations that meet your interests, climate preferences, and budget. Sometimes changing the destination rather than the travel dates creates the greatest savings of all. It's also important to understand what AI cannot do. It can't create airline seats that don't exist, bypass visa requirements, or guarantee free accommodation. Any claim that AI can magically unlock unlimited free travel should be approached with healthy skepticism, because genuine savings still depend on planning, flexibility, and informed decision-making. The travelers who benefit most aren't necessarily those with the biggest budgets. They're often the ones willing to adjust their plans, explore different options, and let technology reveal opportunities they might never have found on their own. AI simply gives them faster access to information that was once scattered across countless websites and booking platforms. Perhaps the most valuable lesson is that free travel rarely happens because of a single trick. Instead, it's usually the result of combining many smaller advantages: reward points, discounted flights, complimentary accommodation opportunities, careful timing, and smart planning. When those savings accumulate over an entire journey, the difference can be remarkable. But even after flights and accommodation have been dramatically reduced, one question remains: how do you keep daily expenses under control once you actually arrive? That's where AI becomes even more valuable, helping travelers save money every single day through smarter transport choices, affordable local dining, free attractions, and real-time decisions that continue stretching every travel dollar long after the booking is complete.